Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Pokemon Go error code 36 or the cannot join raid group error. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is if you are going through the method quickly or this is might be a reason that you are having this problem. So if you're going through the menu too quickly again. So many users in the Reddit mentioned that they were having this error because they were going through the menus too quickly. So you need to slow down your taps. Please make sure to wait for a minimum of 1 or 2 seconds in between each taps when you are joining raids. And then next is to restart the game and try rejoining the raid. So next, you can try quitting the game completely and then wait for around 30 seconds. Then restart the game and try joining raids. So you can go ahead and quit the game, then wait around for 30 seconds and again restart the game and then try rejoining the raids. Then next is you can go ahead and try this trick right here. So this workaround was shared on Reddit by a user who shared that doing these steps helped him fix the issue. So that is first try joining the raid normally. And if you get the error code 37, just leave or 36, just leave the invite and get back to the map and then get back to the invite again. And then tap raid pass and if you still get the error, then try repeating the above given steps. And then next, what you can do is don't just leave the raid. So during our research, we observed that this error was common for those users who left the raid immediately after joining it. And when they tried to join another raid, this error popped up. And then lastly, what you can do is check for outage. So if you still get the error, then chances are the server are overloaded or having any other kind of outage. So you should visit the Pokemon Go social media account to check if there are any update about any outage with their servers. So that's it for this video and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.